Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some cozy vibes going on over here. I am just missing some hot chocolate, but unfortunately I am on a diet, so I guess water would do. Today I am going to make probably one of the most disgusting videos I have ever made in my entire life. I have made a lot of videos like on my Instagram, but I think this is the first time I'm making a very disgusting video of my freaking gunk that lives on my nose. So I finally purchased the Dermaflash. I was quite skeptical about it because I have a lot of whiteheads on my nose, some blackheads as well, but I always was under the mindset or under the impression that, you know, those really painful extractors, those are the ones that would remove all the gunk from my nose. This thing, just with a tiny spatula, I was just like, what can this even do to remove all the shit that's on my nose? Because it's just that with some vibration when I obviously turn it on. Let me just turn it on for you to hear it. Can you hear it? So yeah, I am here to use this and I want to record myself doing it. So let's get to it. So as you can see, I wet my nose slightly. You have to keep it a little damp before you start using this. So this is how you turn it on. And that's the sound. So I'm not sure if you can see a huge difference, but for me specifically, I feel it's much more smoother. You can see a bit of swelling right now because I just extracted it. Honestly, it looks so funny. I would have never shot this video. Oh well, I just wanted to show you how cool this was. The second time around, not that much. So you can either just clean this with a damp cloth with a bit of soap, but what I do is to completely sanitize it, I even use alcohol. I just do that and then I just let it air dry, and then with another clean cloth, I just rub it. Like I just clean this. So yeah, that's what I do. How much did it cost and where did I buy it from? So I bought it from Cult Beauty. I think their cost changes based on peak season and stuff. So right now what the cost is, I'm just gonna put it right here. Where did I use it? So I usually use it on my T-zone. That's where I do it usually. Obviously in the video I showed you my nose because that's where the most shit comes from. But I do it on my T-zone, like above my eyebrows there are very few whiteheads, and then over here and a bit here, like that's where whiteheads usually arise, and here and at the corner of my lips. So that is where I usually use the Dermaflash. Does it hurt? Now, from the video that you watched, you would have seen that it hurts. When you press it slightly, I mean, it does sometimes hurt, especially if there's a deep pore and there's gunk in it you want to remove, so that's when it hurts sometimes. And obviously because you're gliding through repeatedly, it tends to become red. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably rate it 3 or maybe even 2. It just slightly hurts, as I said, in some areas, like, you know, right at the inside of the nose, like that's where it hurts. But over here, like not as much. Probably if I'm pressing it way too much, which I'm not supposed to, like that's when it would actually hurt. In comparison to the blackhead extractor, oh my god, that would probably be a 15 on 10 or like a 20 on 10 or even 100 on 10, because again, I have a lot of whiteheads, so those freaking hurt a lot. But in comparison, guys, this is nothing. Like if you have a lot of whiteheads, I would highly recommend this, because I mean, you just charge it and then there you go. You can just pop it in your bag, use it whenever you want to, and yeah. So does it remove whiteheads and blackheads? Now I have blackheads and whiteheads on my nose, and I noticed it removes my whiteheads far more than my blackheads. If I have to remove my blackheads, I probably have to use the AHA BHA from Ordinary. It does remove some blackheads to an extent, because I mean, it just extracts it. But I think because my whiteheads are far more than my blackheads, the whiteheads kind of cover all the blackheads, so I don't usually see it on the spatula directly after the extraction. But yeah, I think it removes it a bit, but not too much according to me. So guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit disgusting, but that was the point of the video. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to leave a comment, because then I'll get back to you. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you very soon.
What is that?
Came out of my nose.
Yeah! It looks like poop!
Dude, look.
Ew!
Dude, look closer. It's like, that's all
I don't
my
wanna look at
pocket.
that.
Why are you going away from me? Please. Please, look.
He's moving away.
Bad reason. No, yeah, that's what I'm looking at.